Cameraman here, folks. Junkman over there. Stuntman over there. And a nameless guy over there. This is what we have. We got a Honda Fit, folks. Let me get back on this. Let me get back on this.
No. It's not just a Honda Fit. This is a very rare 600 horsepower rally edition shipped in here from Switzerland.
You're going to have to open that hood to back that up. All right. What do we... Oh! This adds 15, 20 horse, this red steering wheel wrap. Let's see the mileage on this thing, folks. Hold on. It ain't bad. Look, it's got some options. It's an automatic. Got the stereo torn out of it. I don't know what this is. It's got the octopus option.
Very fancy stickers on the windows. Look to your
Hold
right.
on. Yeah, somebody put these stickers on the window. I don't even know what they are. Hold on, let me check it out. Yeah, those are good. Those are quality. Good stickers. Let's see. Some more. Somebody has some music in this. Somebody drove around singing to themselves. All right, let's see what else we got here. Some fuses. And a hook here. Right here.
Watch
All
out,
right.
get out of my way.
It's got the rims.
22-inch, -8 OZ rims.
I think Stuntman's drinking or something. It's a Fit. It's a Fit, folks. Stuntman's gonna throw a fit on it.
It's got the wing. It's got the purple paint.
Nice paint job. The guy put, look, guys. Let me show you what bad paint work looks like. You get a little angle on it. Whoa. It almost looks like bath water. Bad news. Look at the hood.
Very fancy headlights.
See that? That's not good. You can see, you gotta smooth that out with a little wet sand, you know?
Now, this is what 600 horsepower looks like in a rally car.
You guys ready?
Ooh.
Ooh, it's got the VTEC. V-technology.
Where's the rest of the motor?
Hold on a second. Does it even have an air cleaner?
Purring like a kitten.
Doesn't even have an air cleaner. We're looking at bone stock here, folks. Oh, look at this. You gotta love when that breaks. This is when the music was pumping. It was a boom, 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 boom. What else we got here? Is that hood going all the way back? We got the alarm. What is that? That's for the kicker box. Kicker. All right, now what's the plan here? We're gonna do a chain up on this?
Really?
Hold on, wait. First off, you're only back in here because you guys promised no mess. Look at the ground. No glass, no oil.
It's so clean.
Just a little water from no mess. No mess, you're out.
All right. Sheesh.
You ever sleep on your friend's couch for a couple of days and the family starts walking by you and they want to kick you in your head and it's like you're overstaying your welcome?
That might be going on over here.
That's what's going on. So no mess today.
Hold on, I gotta talk to the neutral droppers real quick by myself. It's gonna get real messy, guys. All right.
The car's lowered. It's lowered down. We're gonna chain it up. Hold on a second. Junkman, look up there at that Benz! Really?
It's gonna get a little messy, folks. It's gonna get a little messy, folks. All right, you know what?
You think that's gonna hold?
Yeah, rip that right off.
You know what? We may have to put it through this side too. Hold on. There we go. Now I feel safe. I don't think any glass got on the ground. Oh, maybe a little bit. Drop that hood down. And let me back up a little bit. Hold on. Oh, nice! What's it got, Stuntman? Got a one-wheel peel? Get that VTEC going! Wow, folks. Get out, Stunt! Wow. Wow.
Here we go.
Round 1 in the record books. Okay.
So now my neighbor's going to be calling the fire department again. The last time they called the fire department on me.
They did, right?
We love the fire department. Good guys, man. Woof. How did it handle it?
Very impressed with that.
You know what? It went to the right side, that peel.
Well, I'm pretty happy. So far, there's no mess.
No, exactly. So far, no mess. Let's see. A little rubber kicking around over here. A little bit. You know what? It puts out a nice look, man, if you're into this, which I'm not. Round 2, Stunt! The back tire spinning. Wait a second. Is this an all-wheel drive? Yo, jump out. You're gonna die. Get out. I want to show you something. You see that, right? The rear tire was ripping.
Are you serious?
Dead ass, man.
Wait a second.
Yeah, that's a lot of smoke.
Wait a second. I just realized something. This might be a very rare
all-wheel drive
rally
fit.
car. We just discovered that we might be tossing the shit on a car that's worth some money. All-wheel drive.
That's what makes it fun.
Hold on.
It was good. I couldn't believe. I'm like, yo, what the hell's going on over
So
here?
much for no mess.
Hold on. He's got the
So
pizza
much for no
toppings.
mess.
Get my pizza. Get my pizza.
Really?
All right, hold on a second. Was the back tire really going?
I'm telling you, right, Terry? It was going. We're gonna do it again, folks. We got a lot of smoke coming from under here. Hold on a second.
That's the rubber.
Yeah, but is it on fire? That's the question. Of course, the trademark phone ringing. Hold on a second. Hold on.
That's independent.
Hold on. I don't like the amount of smoke. You know what, folks? I think it's just rubber. No need to fear. Yeah, we've got a lot of smoke and rubber. It ain't going now. Did he sizzle the tire?
I have to tell you, that one tire has put out more smoke than any other car in here.
Can I ask you,
cannot believe the amount of smoke.
guys? Can I ask you a serious question? Who said the rear tire? Was
I saw it.
They're crazy.
I'm telling you, it went. See if it's got an axle. Wow. Wow. Is there an axle? Man.
No, you guys are fantasizing.
Are we fantasizing?
You guys are crazy. You're not crazy.
What is this then? Oh, he threw that rubber.
All right, idiots! You're all fired. Round
Look at the
3.
smoke. Hold on. Look at the smoke dumping off of this. Where is that smoke burning from?
This is the most smoke ever.
Junkman, what do you think? Take a deep breath.
Let me get the tack. Oh, you son of a bitch! I can't breathe.
Get out. Oh my God.
Something broke. Something broke.
Oh my God.
Something finished.
Something broke under there.
I just heard something.
I think that's rubber sizzling.
No. I threw it at the park before it was.
Jesus Christ. Hold on. We got to air this place out a little bit.
Hold on, wait a second. Let me hold the camera as I do it.
No, man, because you're going to fuck it up like the ocean. He flips the shit upside down. hold on.
Let me show the technique.
Look at the hook.
I got the hose.
He's got the hose ready.
Cameraman, get over here. Get over here, cameraman. Let me show the technique. Name of the channel's neutral drop. You nail the gas. I got 5,000 RPMs.
Let me see.
And watch how delicate my hand is.
Hold on.
5,000 bouncing off the rev limiter. Watch the delicacy of the hand.
Hold on. Now we got
6,500 RPMs.
damn, something blew up. Drum roll, folks. I think he ate up the tire on
What's my name?
Stuntman. Wow, hold on a minute.
Wasn't this tire? What? Was it this tire?
Yeah, it's this. It's this, look, cause watch.
Hey, what'd that go?
Wow, look at that.
Blew off the rocker molding.
Carnage.
Blew off the rocker molding. Look at that.
There's the rocker molding.
Yeah, but you know what we missed?
What?
Spark show.
Uh-oh.
Round 5, spark show.
Wow, folks! Wow, folks! That's like a freight train going by, folks! Wow! Wow, folks! Wow. Wow. What name is this tire? This thing's incredible.
Did we get sparks?
Oh, forget about it. It was beautiful.
Did we get
You know the
sparks?
4th of July when you hand the kids out sparklers? That's what it looked like. Wow. Open the hood, man. Let's see how this thing's faring. Let's see if it's got a red cat. Let's see if it's got something going on under here. Man, I love Hondas. Man, I love Hondas.
Just so you know, this thing was at $7,000 the whole time. $7,000, like it was not. Hey, check this out. How did rubber end up? I mean, I know through the fender well.
Wow.
Ooh, it's hot too.
Of course
Give
it's
it to
hot.
the Hondas where the motors hold up.
Those Hondas are the best, man. Look at this thing. It's perfect. And cameraman just spit on it.
Really?
What a show of disrespect.
Spit on you!
Wow.
Really?
Listen, guys, look at this. I mean, this was good. This one was good. Blew the rocker off.
Usually on the 4th of July, I don't run out of fireworks. So on the 5th of July, I start lighting off more fireworks that were left over from the 4th of July. So get over there
Wow.
and do your job, cameraman.
What is this, round 6?
I don't know, 6.2.
Hold on. Go ahead. Damn. Fuck! Something hit me, folks!
Did you tell me to stop?
No, something hit me in the neck. Not near the jugular, but somewhere in the neck area. I'm alright, though.
Would you get hit like close to the neck leather?
The neck leather I got hit by. Alright, folks.
Round 7?
Listen,
Junkman, is it okay for round 7?
let me see something. Let's watch this tack. I gotta see what's going on. I love the setup here, guys. Come on, man. Right there. Through the window. We ain't playing. Let me get in the back. Hold on. Unlock this door. A little glass in here. Never hurt anybody. Ah, hold on a minute. Okay. Folks, we promised Junkman we weren't going to make a mess. I wouldn't even call this a mess. Look at this tire. I mean, seriously, guys, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Look at that. We didn't mess. It's not considered a mess, is it?
Really? Really? Now, who's going to sweep this? Who's going to sweep this?
I got a guy that's coming. He'll be in 20 minutes.
Oh, you got a guy coming.
We'll be right back, folks. Wow, stunt. Clean it up.
Unhook it, pull it away, and I'm going to go.
Folks, get a load of this. You can actually read the manufacturer on the inside of the rim. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, folks. We ain't playing. Folks. Little on board action, folks. It's at 7 G's, ladies and gentlemen. I'm getting out of here crazy, man.
You just can't kill it.
Stuntman.
Just can't kill it.
Wow.
I'm earning my keep today.
Here you are.
Can't breathe. I could probably got a bicycle tire in my lung by now.
All right, everybody. Listen, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. This was crazy. What do you think, Junkman?
Can't kill the Honda.
You can't kill the Honda, man. Stunt, what do you think about it?
The Hondas, they last. You know what I mean?
They're the best, folks.
It's like a porn star, this car. It's unbelievable. They last.
Like, comment, subscribe, folks. We're going all the way. You know that.
Let me check.